To kod kaunti ma Homa Bay en ni koro kweth jood bura mawuok ei kaunti onogono ma Homa Bay koro chiwo gige nindo mabiro konyo ahinya jopuonjre maende gigegi nowang' e skund yawuoyi mar Ringa Boys mayudore e gwenge mag Rachuonyo East Sub County. Od nindo mating'o jopuonjre 307 mathoth gin jopuonjre mag jo Form 4 kata mag klas 12 yande koro nowang' kendo onge gimoro amora ma yande koro noresi. Japuonj maduong' e skul onogono mar Ringa Boys Austin Muma nolero ni gik moko duto te kendo nowang' kendo mwandu maromo milion 8 nowang' modong' mirni ka nyaka gie sani koro nonro pod dhi nyime pok oyangi ni tang'o madine kel mach makamano e skunde yawuoyi no.
Moment, what could have happened? It can be anything. It could be electrical fault. It can be anything, but investigations are going on. So I'm asking the school community to be calm. I know the boys are not here now. They've already gone home. But the principal here is in control. And I can see that he's got a very good roadmap on how they are going to recover the notes from the fire here.
The house itself was put up at a cost of 8.5 million thereabout in 2014. So you can do the estimates for the current cost. Yeah, the beds in that house cost around 2,345,000 or 2.4 million. As a strategy, we now want to organize for them materials. It is not very easy for the boys to copy dots from Form 1 up to Form 4 when by March next year they are expected to sit exams. So as a school, we'll sit down and see a way of assisting them and also to provide psychosocial support for them. The boys will come, they left crying. I want to believe by the time they're coming back, we'll involve stakeholders, we'll talk to them so that we offer the required